Studies show that alcohol is the most commonly misused drug among youth. A 2015 Connecticut survey showed that 1 in 3 high school students use alcohol.
In the police world, we take drunk driving enforcement against people under the age of 21 very seriously. The results, the consequence to drinking and driving under the age of 21 could result in a fine, a suspension of your license. If you don't have a driver's license, your privilege to do so could also be suspended. So even the act of just possession of the alcohol for somebody under the age of 21, it can result in an infraction and a variety of fines. Even if you're under the age of 18, if you receive an infraction, a ticket, you are still responsible for paying the fine, and that would go on your record. We've been seeing just an excess amount of not just consumption of alcohol, but excessive consumption of alcohol by youth.
The ones that are transported to the area hospitals are really the ones that are close to coma. They can't hold their heads up, they are breathing but could easily stop.
Unfortunately, we have been to car accidents involving young people with lots of people in the car. They're making mistakes, they don't have the driving experience, and then when you start throwing alcohol in there, you're talking about blurred vision, distraction, ability to react to things, which we know as drivers is extremely important. It's going to be significantly delayed.
Kids don't think bad things can happen to them, and their brain development certainly takes some time and into their early 20s before it's really matured.
So in the state of Connecticut, the blood alcohol content limit for anyone under the age of 21 is 0.02 blood alcohol content. And this is by design, because we know that youth are still in their developing stages, whether it be their brain or their bodies. And so that 0.02 is a really low threshold, so that pretty much any type of alcohol consumption could trigger a drunken driving charge. So really the message that we want to get out there is that if you're under 21, the law is there for a reason. We don't want people under the age of 21 consuming alcohol. It is illegal, and we will be out there doing enforcement.
A survey of Connecticut high school students showed that teens who reported having meals at home, feeling love and support from their parents, and having parents who ask about their whereabouts when they're not at home, that those 3 things reduce the likelihood of their engaging in risky behaviors.
Despite what a parent may think, that nothing sinks in as far as what they say to their kids, things do sink in. And parents are the single best role model for their kids.
We want them to make smart choices now so it's not affecting their future down the road.